Recently, AMD stock price has essentially flattened after the drop from the March 8th bearish star candle. So other than adjusting the Fibonacci time zones to that peak, the fan and extension levels are left in the same positions as last time. Moving ahead, we'll be looking to see if price can hold in the 170s and get back on this incline. Daily volume has mostly been around average level since after March 8th. So if selling picks up, the moderate 172 level can be broken through relatively easily, while decisively dropping below the 160s would likely require volume to get back towards 90 or even 100 million. Such a bearish scenario would likely look similar to how NIO fell under 480. And all the Fibonacci tools are the same as last time except for the addition of the Fibonacci spiral pointing up from the peak doji candle from March 12th. With the drop slowing, attention will be focused on whether an upswing can get back over 450 in the next 5 to 7 days. That would be relatively easy in the broader context compared to moving out of the 0 to 1 range of the Fibonacci channel. Alternatively, if 450 can't be cleared, it's still likely price could follow the lower portion of the channel, even if selling volume increases to levels similar to the end of March. And to learn more about these Fibonacci tools and other technical analysis methods, check out the hundreds of videos already on the channel.